Hello, my name is Edith, and in this video I'll show you how to use the form and note question features in ClinicSense. First, we'll go to Setup and we'll click on Form Builder from the dropdown. For this video, I'll use the Reason for Visit form. While editing a question in your form template, you have the option to add a display logic. This allows you to show a question only when certain conditions are met. This can help you and your clients save time by displaying relevant questions only when needed. And here's how it works. The display logic can be linked to a previous multiple choice question. It can be triggered by one or multiple options from that question. However, it cannot be linked to subsequent questions, it cannot be applied to non-multiple choice questions, and it cannot be linked to more than one question at a time. Now let's talk about the required checkbox. You'll see this option only in your form templates, not in the treatment note templates. Marking a question as required in your form templates means clients must answer it before they can submit the form. If a required question is left blank, the client won't be able to complete the form and won't be able to submit the form. And finally, we have the Office Use Only checkbox. This is a handy option available on form questions that allows you to keep certain fields hidden from clients. Questions marked as Office Use Only will not appear on the forms sent to clients. Instead, you can edit these fields directly in the client files. This is great for keeping internal notes or information that doesn't need client input. And that's how you use the form and note question features in ClinicSense. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us to support@clinicsense.com. Have a great day.